Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, hi guys. Igama lam Dingubudlu. Dingunolali. Wekungai. Finally, ngi-happy. Di-happy ndi-jabule. It's because the podcast is finally here from at the comfort of my house. Because I was one. There is no stopping us. There is no stopping us. Igama lam Dingubudlu. Himadoda nendasi na by now. Kunendingxelela. Dingubudlu. Dingunolali wekungai. And we're finally recording the first episode of the Let's Unpack with Ubudlu podcast. Himadoda, hey. I'm so excited. Himadoda ndiku podcast masiqala apho. Make ndisusele nansi. Himadoda, hey. Kwenzekile. Masiqale si celebrate. No. Masiqale si celebrate madoda. It's finally happening. It's happened. Yenzekile into yokubana Ubudlu unolali wegunqayi abene podcast yakhe ethi yena kwakhe endlini. I don't have to travel. I don't have to go anywhere. I can just work from home. Uba neqaphela ke madoda benibhatala mathawuthawu. Thousands of friends to get to record this content to you. But finally, we're recording from home. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Yeah. And excited ndiyeke. What do we even start with? This getting overwhelmed and ayazi noma namkele njani. Siqala phi? Siqala sithini? Andazi nokubana ndiqale ngeyiphi. Andazi noba mandiqale ngeyiphi. Yo. Ingase abantu baze welcome on my own show. Kanti mina singake siye wayilesini. Can phone abantu bathi Lu, welcome Budlu, welcome. Cela welcome. Give me a warm welcome between me and you. Give me a warm welcome. I want to hear the calls. Yeah, but Nana, ndifuna uva abantu besithi welcome. Senzo, I want people to welcome me at my own show. Andazi noba niyandivana. Ndifuna nindamkele eshowini yam. Ndimkhumbula uba kama-asi. Uba kama-asi wayesithi before asasaze athi ufuna esetheni umfundisi izosusa isele khona isele elimjameleyo phayana. So umfundisi makazothanda sacela ngizonithandazela madoda. This is welcome. This is the first show. This is the premiere of Let's Unpack with Ubudlu. Niyayazi ke madoda how we roll here. You know how we do things. We are simple. Singonolali bekunqayi asingaba abantu ba serious. Asikhumshe nokhumsha thina kule podcast. Now, it's 2026 March, Jonga. It's the 6th of March, Friday, the 6th of March, 2026. And we are shooting our first episode of Let's Unpack with Ubudlu. I am very nervous. You know me, I'm born to do this, but I am very... Yes! Woo! Somebody just said welcome! Boop, boop, boop. I am welcomed at my own show. Ayikebadoda ngayikhulula igyasi ndibeke phambi kwecango. Ndifikile ke ngoku apho benibhalele khona. Sentsho ndilapha eshowini yam. Welcome to Let's Unpack. Igama lam Dingubudlu. Dingunolali wegunqayi enkosi ngokundamkela. Now, we have to speak English every now and again. Because now we are no longer on on those social media apps. We are very much on YouTube. We have to speak English. We have to talk English. Yeah. Akusibanzima. Ladies and gentlemen, I thought the first episode will have to cover, I very much have to cover the ANC Provincial Conference of the Eastern Cape. Everybody's expecting it. Everybody is waiting for me to finally deliver what is to happen at the ANC Provincial Conference of the Eastern Cape as the principal reporter of this particular province ndithenjiwe ke ndiyaziwa into yokokubana I'm going to bring you indaba zitshisa ndizawunixelela njengoba injalo ke madoda. There is no filter here. No, there is no filter here. Asizube siyigwekweleza sayithetha njengoba injalo. Now just between me and you, I must say oxam bayaphaxulana kwi-ANC as we're going to the provincial conference. The selection or ukhetho lweenkokheli zephondo leMpuma Koloni, oxam bayaphaxulana, thina bantu, thina masebe. I laughed. Hayi ndiyihlekile. Hayi madoda ndiyihlekile, just between me and you. No. This is just introduction to the podcast. Hayi masiyincokole for now. Ndiyihleke ndaphantsi uyowa xa kusithiwa thina bantu. Aphendula iqela likaMabuya athi thina masebe. Jonga, I laughed. Hayi ndiyihlekile. Thina bantu is the original concept of uNcuka Ithobi, the provincial secretary of the ANC. It sounds like an idea of uSimthandile Ford. I'm just saying. Iyanifana noSimthandile Ford. I think ngungqondo behind that Thina Bantu campaign. And then batrend uthina bantu badikwa aba bakamabu basengcobo bathi thina masebe. Listen, what in the damn is this? Ndithe ndawubuyela ku Facebook ndithi yintoni le mpambano yenzeka apha thina bantu thina masebe. What is this? It is the name or the campaign slogans of these factions of the ANC. The Ncuka Ithobi faction thina bantu, the Mabuyane faction thina masebe. Let me introduce you to the dynamics of the Eastern Cape province. Number one, we have Mabuyane, the current chairperson of the province. We have Ncuka Ithobi, the current provincial secretary of the Eastern Cape. Both these two azitshayisane lo nqawe, sentsho azitshayisane at all. uMabuyane wants to come back for the third time. uNcuka Ithobi, the secretary, is saying that is not going to happen. You must leave. Mabuyane, you must leave. It's never happened that a person gets a first term, 5 years ayigqibe, gets a second term, 10 years ayigqibe, now wants another 5 years, 15 years that Mabuyane wants as the provincial chairperson of the Eastern Cape. And by the looks of things, it might happen. Because kaloku i-ANC kodwa ngotshiwo kuthiwa i-ANC ayinantloni, i-ANC ayinasazela, i-ANC ayina I don't know, man. I don't know. ANC has lost its soul. Just between me and you. The ANC has lost its soul. Andiqondi uba niyandiva. I-ANC ilahlekelwe ngumphefumlo lo yayiphefumla ngawo. It's about me. Everything is about me. And it's not about umbutho. Anizundiva. It's about me, and it's never about the organization. The organization has been buried, in fact, has died. And now it is the funeral. They are burying it. I'm going to break down the dynamics of the ANC. But before I do that, I did something yesterday, by the way. I said to people on Facebook, ladies and gentlemen, bhalani everything that you want to say. Yonke into lapha kuwe ngaphakathi. Write it on the comments. I'm going to read. And I know ministers, and I know members of parliament, and I know prominent people are watching this podcast, and they very much listen to everything that you've got to say. I need you right now to write to me what I need to tell people of the ANC. I'm going to read the comments. Let me find this. I'm going to read the comments. Nditheke, before I analyze lento yethu thina ephondweni, ndicela uqala ndive kuni. Thethani nam ndithethe nabo. Comment lento lapha kuwe again. Nge-Eastern Cape. I will be reading this live on my new podcast new podcast. This is the first episode. Now, bathethile kabantu. And I'm going to try and read as many comments as I can. I promised to read you 100 comments. Into kubana bathina abantu base Eastern Cape. Ukuras Jikijwa Ntlebe uthi I want them to give me 5 reasons why I must vote ANC. These reasons must be based on service delivery and not the history of the ANC. Under that comment, there's about 7 people who have replied, and I don't want to get to that conversation as yet. Now, King Nondungo uthi there's 2 kinds of people you can never advise in life. Number 1, a man that is in love. Number 2, a young person who votes for the ANC. Tulasizwe Tofa is saying, considering the fact that Mabuyane, the premier, has been at the helm for 2 years already, he should make way for the SG by not contesting the upcoming leadership battle. He's a seasoned leader. He's done a lot for the province. It is now time to move on to national, where his expertise may not only benefit the province, but the nation as a whole. I love that comment. Wandile Maqongo uthi, votes to be the factor. Pata diaculate. Uluvuyo Kota, ayike, he's the biggest singer. Uyimbongi ANC andizoyifunde yakhe comment. Unathi Fatile uthi, I am not an active ANC member, but for the unity of the party in the province, they should form a united team where Dia continue as a chair and Lulama as either deputy or continue as a secretary. Sivuyile Mnyute uti Oscar third term eternally. Double standard, good for him, not right for Maswale. What is good for the goose, it's good for a... I don't understand that comment. Look, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot that's been said. Under Ulunga Ngcabasho on Facebook, you're going to read for yourself what people are saying. Hey, there's a lot. Umlungeli Majavu uti, I'm sorry for this comment. My understanding of the ANC tells me that the ANC doesn't start by leadership preferences. What I know and understand, before the conference, the ANC would sit and discuss its scorecard in terms of its delivery, service delivery to the people based on the manifesto, blah, 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 blah. I'm not interested in this comment. Jola is the rightful candidate, ngokunokwam, kutsho Khaliphile, no Chaleka. Kodwa ke ucebane uthi the province has just started to show signs of development. Mr. Mabuyane must finish what he has done. Let him continue. Umaduna uti what happens? Uti whatever happens pre, during and post elections, what matters is that what matters most is changing the maybe you're saying the politicians in our society and gaining confidence to even the young kid, far mountains of the provinces. Kundla is temporary. It does not make it. Hey, bayabuthetha ububhanxa abantu because andiva le comment bethini. Ladies and gentlemen, andizube ndiyitsala into endiyithethayo ndithi oxamba yaphaxulana ephondweni leMpuma Koloni. Mabuyane wants to come back for the 3rd term. Ncuka Ithobi uthi unotshe impundu zelawo eyam le nto. I have my own sentiments that I'm going to reserve for now. This is just a sound 1 2 1 2 for the Let's Unpack with Ubudlu podcast. I hope you will subscribe to the YouTube channel. You're gonna comment. Look, I can't do this without you commenting, engaging me, suggesting, because this is a home, is a platform for you and me. Thank you so much for listening. Andizuphinda ndizintrodyuse emadodeni niyandazi ndingubhuti lo ungonolali wasetsomo esigubudweni. Sharp sharp.